Hello everyone. Welcome to the micro lecture of our Education of the 21st Century module, Week 3. Today we will explore a topic of urgent and growing relevance: artificial intelligence in the redesign of the theory and practice of independent learning. We will examine how AI is transforming not only the tools we use, but also the very way learners take ownership of their learning. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a theoretical concept. It is already deeply embedded in education. In the context of independent learning, AI offers revolutionary possibilities. Unlike the one-size-fits-all approach of traditional education, AI enables personalized, adaptive, and context-aware learning. Each learner can chart their own path, supported by intelligent systems that recognize their strengths, needs, and pace. Research shows that students using AI-supported technologies often demonstrate higher levels of self-directed learning than peers in traditional models. Why? Because AI aligns with the principles of modern self-directed learning. It fosters autonomy, motivation, and self-regulation, exactly what we aim to cultivate in 21st century learners. Let's see how AI works in practice. 1. Adaptive learning. Platforms like Khan Academy's AI Tutor or Squirrel AI in China customize learning in real time to suit each learner's pace and style. 2. Immediate feedback. Tools such as Gradescope, Turnitin, and Antiplagiate.ru provide personalized feedback instantly, helping students improve quickly while saving teachers time. 3. AI tutoring. Systems like Carnegie Learning's Mathia simulate human guidance, offering 24 support beyond classroom hours and 7 days. 4. Inclusive learning. Microsoft Immersive Reader and Google Read and Write support text-to-speech captions and translation, breaking down barriers for students with disabilities or non-native speakers. 5. Predictive analytics. AI can identify students at risk, allowing educators to intervene early. AI does not replace teachers. On the contrary, it amplifies their role, freeing them from routine tasks and creating space for meaningful, human-centered interaction. Let's reflect on a powerful metaphor: AI as both mirrors and windows. As mirrors, AI tools reflect students' identities. They can adapt content to cultural backgrounds. They offer multilingual support to honor linguistic diversity, and they design personalized learning paths that respect individual learning styles and paces. As windows, AI expands students' perspectives. It brings in global content and diverse voices. Through simulations and virtual mentors, students can engage with ideas across cultures and even historical periods. Predictive tools also allow educators to see what might otherwise go unnoticed: emotional distress, disengagement, so they can respond with empathy. In short, AI helps us both see ourselves more clearly and understand the world more deeply. Many modern educational theories align naturally with AI's potential. Harrison's model emphasizes self-management, motivation, and cognitive responsibility. Grove's model traces the path from teacher dependence to full autonomy, something AI can dynamically support by adjusting task complexity. Silamut and Petsangsri highlight the combination of independent learning and knowledge management to enhance digital literacy, an area where AI is essential. These frameworks show how AI and theory can work hand in hand to empower self-directed learners. Then there's the nonlinear personal didactic model by Kirikovich, where the student plays both the role of learner and teacher. Here, AI becomes a supportive companion, enabling the construction of personal knowledge models, use of project-based, algorithm-driven learning, development of resilience and self-governance. And Kalinina's model reminds us that the ideal is not just self-education, but a blend of self-education and self-improvement, a dynamic, two-dimensional process AI can facilitate beautifully. This vision of AI in education cannot be realized in isolation. Collaboration is key among educators, technologists, psychologists, and policymakers. Interdisciplinary and globally cooperative research ensures that AI is developed ethically and inclusively. As you can see from global research data, AI in education is a worldwide endeavor, one that benefits from shared knowledge, cultural exchange, and joint innovation. Of course, the road is not without obstacles. We face serious challenges: unequal access to the internet and digital tools, ethical concerns about privacy and surveillance, algorithmic bias, and the black box problem, a lack of funding, training, and clear frameworks in many educational systems, and perhaps most dangerously, the risk of teacher de-skilling if AI is seen as a replacement rather than a support. At the same time, many theories of self-directed learning are outdated and need to be reimagined in light of today's technological landscape. To address these challenges, we must promote transparency in AI development, ethical guidelines in educational technology, equal digital access, and most importantly, cross-disciplinary collaboration. Together, we can design a future where AI supports truly independent, inclusive, and human-centered learning. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool, it is a partner in education. A partner that, when guided ethically and creatively, can empower learners to take control of their education and train their skills. Thank you for your attention. For further reading, please refer to the references listed on the last slide.